For making aloo बैंगन की सब्जी, we have taken around 250 grams of बैंगन or eggplant, which we have already chopped and washed. We have also taken 250 grams of potatoes, which we have already chopped and washed. We have also chopped the ginger and green chilies as per our taste. We have heated around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now keep the flame on medium and add a pinch of asafoetida. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Allow them to splutter. So once cumin seeds splutter, we will be adding the chopped ginger. Roast the ginger for a minute. So our ginger is roasted now. Now we will be adding the green chilies. You can add the green chilies as per your taste. Roast the green chilies. So once green chilies are roasted, we will be adding the potatoes and eggplant. Mix it well. Add the salt as per your taste. Now add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. One teaspoon of red chili powder. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix everything well. Keep it on a medium flame. After all the spices are mixed with aloo and बैंगन, cover it with a lid for 5 minutes. Then we will check it. Now check it after 5 minutes. Add the chopped tomatoes. So we have taken 2 big-sized tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of raw mango powder or amchur powder. Now add about 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Add half a cup of water Water will help in cooking the vegetables, and also it will allow the spices to cook properly and nicely, and the vegetables and spices will not burn. Now cover it with a lid and cook it for 5 more minutes. Now we'll be checking after 5 minutes. Give it a stir and cook it until all the potatoes become soft. So cover it with a lid one more time. So now our potatoes are cooked nicely. So our aloo bangan sabzi is ready. Now garnish with some coriander leaves. Mix it well. Now we can serve it. So now we have served aloo bangan ki sabzi, and it really tastes very delicious and yummy. Enjoy it with roti, paratha, naan or rice, and you can enjoy it with your family and friends, and let us know about how you like this recipe. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos, and don't forget to like and share it.